Hi, and welcome back to my channel, RottingRed. Yay! Today we are reviewing the Beauty Bay Fiery 2.0 palette. Yeah, I already did the look. I'm just doing the intro now. I'm trying to see if I know how to do this. And let me throw the plastic. Look at this beauty. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. And I will remember to leave like timestamps if you wanna just see the nude look being done, or just the neutral. I need to stop saying nude. The neutral look being done and the more colorful being done. I will leave timestamps for that. I am also checking out 2 new mascaras, which is they're both NYX. And one is called Doll Eye, and the other one is called Worth. The height? Oh god, I'm having a stroke. Also, microphone. Does it sound okay? It might be background noises. I'm not sure. It's been really tough to get it to function. But yeah. Anyway, let's roll the tutorials. So this is the eye looks, and I think the shade's really good actually. This kind of looks like an ice cream. One that always has a weird face because it's, yeah. But I want to try, because I bought 2 new mascaras too. They're both from NYX, and one is called Doll Eye Mascara, and the other one is called Work the Hype. Does it say what colors in? The Doll Eye is an extreme jet black, and the Work the Hype is just like this black. Is this right? Yeah, I think you can read it. So I'm gonna do the doll one over here and this one over here. Okay, so the doll one, this one, it kind of like collects them into like little, what do you call it? Little pointies, where this is way more like scattered and more, you can see more lashes, but here they're like connected a bit more. I did this a few times when they were about to like dry, to kind of pump it up a bit more. I think I like the doll one more. They're both pretty great. Up close maybe. See, can I get closer? But yeah, they look really good. Especially the doll one alone looks great. So, I just did some swatches from each eye. Colors I use. Here's this one. How do I turn my arm? You see the shiny. Very shiny. This is difficult. But yeah. I really like this palette. Let me just... Hello! It's really pretty. I absolutely love it. This is obviously not like sponsored or anything. I just I wanted to try it out because it's clean. But yeah, my opinions are it's great. I love it. And also the mascaras were great. The one from NYX. I really like these. Pretty nice. Especially the doll one. It looks great. Oh yeah, and I use this for the Candid Cosmetic in the color, in the shade Brutal. That's the lips. I put a bit of this shade on to get a little shimmery. But yeah, all in all, it's a great palette, and I would definitely recommend it. I got it on sale, so that's like even better. But yeah. What do you guys think of the look? Do you like it? Which side do you prefer? I think I like this side more, but I'm also kind of biased because I don't really like nude colors on me so much. I think, well, neutral, I guess, is the proper term. I don't know, they don't feel like me, you know? Like, my clothing is very black. My eyes needs to look like a rainbow, basically. That's how it works, for some reason. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little review. And I really hope my mic is okay, by the way. I have a microphone now which is not standing very stable, but hopefully it's not too bad. I guess we will see. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you liked it, leave a like, and if you want to see more like this, you should obviously subscribe. Anyway, this has been RottingRed. What's my name again? RottingRed! It's me, RottingRed! Yeah. Thanks for what. I'm gonna go now, bye.